Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live, as I often do reactions to cooking videos. All right, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a bacon red onion pizza. The recipe for the dough and sauce will be at the end of the video, as well as what beer I used to make this dough. It is a local beer, but I believe it's available in other states. And the only other difference between the dough you see before you and the dough that's in the recipe is I've exclusively switched to double O flour. You can find double O flour at any good-sized grocery store or Walmart. And as you can see here, sauce, maybe a little overkill on the sauce, but I like a nice saucy pizza. We have some mozzarella cheese. And by the way, we should be heating the oven to 550 degrees. Then some cooked bacon that I chopped up. And then some roughly sliced red onions. You want them about half an inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. Because if they're too small, they'll just dissolve into your pizza when you cook it. And then give this a dusting of Parmesan cheese and a little sprinkle of dried oregano. And then pop this into that 550 degree oven for 6 minutes, or until the cheese is ooey and gooey and the edge of the crust is golden brown. And after about 6-7 minutes, you're looking at something like that. So, that is the bacon red onion pizza. Done. This is the beer that I'll be using for this particular pizza dough. It is from Fair State Brewing Company. It's a local brewing company based out of St. Paul, Minnesota. And it's a nice German Pilsner. Link to their website will be in the video description. So here's how we make the pizza dough. In a bowl, as you can see here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of instant dry active yeast. If you use regular active dry yeast, not the instant stuff, then you will have to warm up the beer to about 110, give or take. Then we want to add a 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. And then you want to add 16 ounces or 1 tall boy of beer. Can be pretty much any beer you like. I just go with Budweiser because that's what I like. Okie dokie. Then we just want to get our paddle attachment and turn it on and let this mix around, knead around for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I took the dough out. Formed it into a ball, got about, a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon worth of olive oil, covered it. Then I covered the bowl with a towel, put it in a depowered oven, oven that's turned off, and let that proof for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I divided it into 5-ounce balls, covered them on a baking sheet, and let them proof again for about 45 minutes. Now, if you want this dough to develop flavor further, seal the, put it in either a Tupperware thing and seal that, or cover this in clear film and leave that down in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. All right, that's pretty much the dough recipe. Here's how you make my classic pizza sauce. You take 28 ounces of tomato sauce, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. All right, and then you want to combine everything in a crock pot with a little whisk here. Then you want to cook covered for at least 1 hour on high, and then at least 1 more hour on low. And then just keep it on low and just use it while you're making your pizzas. And that's pretty much the pizza sauce.